The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory is a superbike that continues to push the boundaries of performance, technology, and design. Aprilia has built a reputation for producing some of the most capable motorcycles on the market, and the RSV4 1100 Factory represents the pinnacle of their engineering expertise. This model is an evolution of the legendary RSV4 platform, refined to offer an even more exhilarating riding experience. At the heart of the 2025 RSV4 1100 Factory is its 1099cc V4 engine, a powerplant that has consistently impressed both riders and critics. With a power output of approximately 217 horsepower and a peak torque figure of around 125 Nm, this engine delivers breathtaking acceleration and high-speed performance. The updated electronics and refined fuel mapping ensure a smoother throttle response, making the bike more manageable without compromising its raw power. The V4's unique sound and character remain intact, offering an auditory experience that few motorcycles can match. The chassis of the RSV4 1100 Factory is a work of art, designed for both stability and agility. The aluminum twin spar frame is inspired by Aprilia's MotoGP experience, providing a perfect balance between stiffness and flexibility. The bike's compact dimensions and aggressive ergonomics make it an ideal weapon for track use while still being manageable on the street. The swing arm, derived from racing technology, improves stability under acceleration and enhances cornering precision. Suspension is handled by Öhlins Smart EC 2.0 semi-active electronic suspension, which continuously adapts to road and riding conditions. This system allows the rider to choose between automatic and manual settings, providing unparalleled control and comfort. Whether carving through tight corners or blasting down a straight, the suspension delivers the perfect balance of firmness and compliance. Braking is another area where the RSV4 1100 Factory excels. Equipped with Brembo Stylema calipers and twin 330mm discs at the front, the braking system offers phenomenal stopping power and modulation. The advanced cornering APRC system, developed in collaboration with Bosch, ensures maximum braking efficiency while maintaining stability in all conditions. The rear brake is equally impressive, complementing the front system to provide a well-balanced braking setup. The electronics suite on the 2025 RSV4 1100 Factory is one of the most advanced in the superbike segment. Aprilia's APRC, Aprilia Performance Ride Control system includes a comprehensive set of rider aids such as traction control, wheelie control, launch control, engine braking control, and multiple riding modes. These systems are adjustable via a user-friendly interface, allowing riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their preferences and riding conditions. A key highlight of the electronics package is the 6-axis IMU inertial measurement unit, which enables real-time adjustments based on lean angle, acceleration, and deceleration. This ensures optimal performance in various riding scenarios, from aggressive track riding to everyday street use. The quick shifter and auto blipper further enhance the riding experience, enabling seamless gear changes without the need for clutch operation. The design of the 2025 RSV4 1100 Factory is both aggressive and aerodynamic. The integrated winglets, first introduced in previous RSV4 models, have been further refined to improve downforce and stability at high speeds. The sleek bodywork is not only visually striking but also optimized for aerodynamic efficiency. The LED lighting system enhances visibility and adds to the bike's modern appearance. The sculpted fuel tank and seat design offer improved rider ergonomics, ensuring comfort during long rides and maximum control during aggressive riding. The full-color TFT display serves as the bike's command center, providing riders with all the necessary information at a glance. The intuitive interface allows easy navigation through settings, ride modes, and connectivity features. Bluetooth integration enables smartphone pairing, offering access to navigation, calls, and music. One of the standout features of the RSV4 1100 Factory is its lightweight construction. The extensive use of carbon fiber components, along with forged aluminum wheels, helps keep the weight down, improving handling and acceleration. The bike's power-to-weight ratio is among the best in its class, making it a formidable competitor on both the track and the street. Riders who demand the best in performance and exclusivity will appreciate the high-quality components and attention to detail found throughout the RSV4 1100 Factory. Every element of the bike has been engineered to provide an uncompromising riding experience. The seamless integration of cutting-edge technology with race-proven engineering makes this model one of the most desirable superbikes of 2025. Aprilia's racing heritage is evident in every aspect of the RSV4 1100 factory. The brand has a long history of success in World Superbike and MotoGP, and this experience translates directly into their production motorcycles. The RSV4 platform has consistently evolved over the years, incorporating advancements derived from the highest levels of competition. This dedication to performance ensures that the RSV4 1100 factory remains at the forefront of superbike innovation. For those considering ownership, the 2025 RSV4 1100 factory represents a significant investment in performance and exclusivity. It is not merely a motorcycle but a statement of passion for speed and precision. The bike's versatility makes it suitable for both professional racers and enthusiasts who crave an adrenaline-fueled experience. Whether on the track or the open road, the RSV4 1100 factory delivers an unmatched level of excitement. The aftermarket support for the RSV4 is extensive, allowing riders to further personalize their machines. From performance exhaust systems to custom EQ tuning, the possibilities for enhancing the bike are nearly limitless. Aprilia also offers a range of official accessories, including carbon fiber parts, racing levers, and performance-oriented upgrades. Maintaining a high-performance machine like the RSV4 1100 factory requires attention to detail, but Aprilia has designed the bike with reliability in mind. Regular servicing ensures longevity, and the high-quality materials used in construction contribute to durability. Owners can expect a premium ownership experience backed by Aprilia's commitment to excellence. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 1100 factory stands as a benchmark in the superbike category. It combines race-derived engineering with cutting-edge technology, resulting in a machine that delivers pure exhilaration. Whether chasing lap records or enjoying a spirited ride through the mountains, this motorcycle offers an experience that few others can match. With its striking design, advanced electronics, and incredible performance, the RSV4 1100 factory solidifies Aprilia's reputation as a leader in high-performance motorcycles.